Next, A says A, D says da, add, add. S says sa, A says A, D says da, sad, sad. Sad means dukhi. P says pa, A says A, D says da, pad, pad. Pad means diary. L says la, A says A, D says da, lad, lad. Lad means bachcha. D says da, A says A, D says da, dad, dad. Dad means papa. Next family, A says A, N says na, Anna, N family. F says fa, A says A, N says na, fan, fan. Fan means pankha. P says pa, A says A, N says na, pan, pen. Pen means pen. V says va, A says A, N says na, van, van. Van means van. M says ma, A says A, N says na, man, man. Man means admi.